Bueno, esto es brutal. Mira cómo saltan los pedrolos. Madre mía. Son curuntas. Eso no son granizos, son curuntas.
The hailstorm caught many by surprise, with social media flooded with comments and images of the hail. A storm with large hailstones is currently hitting Collado Villalba. Please avoid driving or transiting on public roads until the storm passes, for your safety, said Civil Protection.
Va a romper el cristal al final. Hostia.
Hailstones the size of eggs in Madrid, shared one user on X, referring to the magnitude of the rainfall. Hailstone madness, while AMIT, Mexican Meteorology Agency, has raised the warning for the bad phenomenon to orange in the central and southern regions. Although the phenomenon has caused great surprise among residents, some have warned of the dangers it could pose. The hail in Madrid this afternoon is quite scary. A few hours with this amount of rain and there will be deaths, said one social media user. Storm Dana, hurricane, hit Spain on Wednesday, bringing rain and thunderstorms to much of the interior of the peninsula. One of the most affected areas was the community of Madrid, where large hail began to fall around 5:30 p.m. in mid-June, prompting authorities to urge extreme caution.
Esos son bolas de golf.
The drizzle began to fall before 6 o'clock p.m. and within minutes turned into a powerful hailstorm that stunned many pedestrians on the streets of the capital for more than 15 minutes. This situation has led the State Meteorological Agency, AMIT, to raise the warning for thunderstorms, which may be accompanied by hail of more than 2 centimeters, to orange in Madrid, Metropolitan, and Haneres, South, Vegas, and West. The warning will be in effect until 8 o'clock p.m. The Madrid 112 Security and Emergency Agency, ASEM 112, has informed local councils and other agencies about the situation. The agency advises extreme caution when driving in these situations, increasing the safe distance and using dimmed headlights, according to
Todo eso es
emergency
granizo.
112.
O sea, mira qué piedra de granizo. O sea, increíble esto, ¿eh?
Residents are also advised to remove objects from terraces and balconies that could fall onto public roads, avoid walking in wood areas, and check the condition of drains and gutters in homes, as well as windshield wiper blades on vehicles. Meanwhile, the General Directorate of Traffic, DGT, reported that shortly after 6:20 p.m., traffic slowed down on the A5 towards the capital near Alcorcón due to an accident. Likewise, traffic slowed down towards the capital on the A3 in Rivas and on the A42 in Torreón.
Piedras como huevos de paloma. Me cago en 10. Hay que escaparse para casa ya.